to fix is voicemail notification want to go anyway on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone and click power button and volume up button at the time, and you will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so clean phone app service. You will see, click on this tick icon and clean. After clean apps, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity option. After click on more connectivity option, scroll down and click on reset Wi-Fi and setting. Click on reset setting, enter your phone pin and click on next. After enter pin, click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if the voicemail notification want to go away on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.